In this video, I'll show you step by step how to rent a scooter on the LSSC platform. First, go to the official LSSC website, then scroll down to the bottom menu where you'll find the Rent option. Click on it. Next, scroll further down until you find the B3 scooter. Click on Rent, and then confirm by clicking Rent again. You'll be redirected to the balance payment page where you'll see several payment options available, such as USDT, USDC, USDT Biology, USDT Ethereum, and USD TRC20. Choose your preferred payment method and click on it. A payment link will appear. Copy it. Then go to a payment platform like Coinbase or Binance, paste the link, and transfer the required amount to the SSC wallet. Once the transaction is complete, your scooter rental will be successful, and you can start using it right away.